Well, it sure is a little messy.
It's okay. Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the Senior Lifestyle Editor here at Food52, and this is my daughter, Lana.
Hi, I'm Lana.
Well, someone loves bacon in our house, so we can't just fry up a few strips here and there.
Me.
So when we make bacon, it's just easier to put the bacon on a rack on top of a foil-lined cookie sheet and put it in the oven, forget about it for like 15-20 minutes. So by the time you're done cooking your waffles, the bacon will be ready as well. Do you like bacon?
Yep.
How many pieces can you eat?
All of them.
I think you can eat all of them. I'm a working mom, so it's really busy during the week. Family cooking together doesn't really happen until the weekend. It's laid back, but I like bringing her into the kitchen just so she can familiarize herself with it and spend time with me. Will you help Mama whisk these together? You just want to make sure the baking powder and salt are all incorporated, right?
Sugar.
There's no sugar in this one. So the waffle recipe we use today, it's a fairly standard Swedish waffle recipe. We cook it in a thinner waffle iron, not a Belgian style, which Americans are used to. And it yields a crispier waffle. This particular recipe doesn't have any sugar, but you can certainly add it in if you want something that would go well with like whipped cream or ice cream. Can you whisk it carefully so it doesn't fly out of the bowl?
Why?
We first had this waffle recipe at my brother-in-law's house. His wife made them and added Swedish cheese, so very pungent, similar to an aged cheddar or a stronger parm. So safety obviously is paramount in the kitchen when you're with kids, but I want her to feel familiar and comfortable. I think it's just small steps that help empower her and give her a little confidence. We love cooking on the induction stovetop when we're making waffles because if we drop any batter on the stovetop, we can just wipe it clean. It makes it very easy. So the waffles are all done and we're ready for the best part, which is eating them. And Lana, what do you like to put on your waffles?
Syrup and bacon.
Syrup and bacon. I like to top mine with some creme fraiche or sour cream, some roe if you have it. Makes it really nice and savory. And then the chives are also beautiful. Dill, and then if it's not too early in the morning for you, some red onions are also pretty. It's just a good chance to get in the kitchen and spend time with her, so we love it. You want to try some of Mom's? No. That's okay. Can I try some of your bacon?
Ah.
No. Okay.